One of the themes of both learning and transfer theories is that meaningful content is essential. Content tends to be more meaningful when it's linked to trainees' current jobs and to the organization's business strategy. And when trainers tell stories about the success of previous trainees, about the positive outcomes they experienced after using what they learned on the job. Trainers should also share examples of what it means to perform well and what it means to underperform. Use language that is familiar to the audience and avoid phrases that don't translate well into other languages. Sometimes content has more meaning after training, and so providing on-demand access to training materials can be beneficial for some trainees.